Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code with an image or with your logo using Canva. Here I have already logged into my Canva account. Click on Create a Design. Here I will choose Logo Design. Now you need to add your image or logo here. Then drag and adjust the size like this. Now click on Share and click on See All. Here you can see QR code. Now enter your website URL here. I already copied my URL and now I paste it here. Click on Generate QR code. Now you can download it. Let's see how it looks like. Here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.